Hello everyone, in this video we will compare Plasticity, Freecad, and Fusion 360. Plasticity, Freecad, and Fusion 360 each serve different purposes in the world of 3D modeling, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs and experience level. Plasticity focuses on simplicity and precision for concepting modeling. It's especially popular among industries who want to sketch out clean, hard surface models quickly. It uses no-BS modeling and has a minimal interface that lets you stay in the creative flow. It's great for concept art, product design mockups, and exporting clean geometry, but it doesn't offer parametric modeling or simulation tools. Freecad is a free, open-source CAD tools with strong parametric modeling features. It's built suited for mechanical design, engineering, and architecture. You can define constraints, measurements, and relationships, which helps with accuracy and changes later on. Freecad is also scriptable with Python and supports many plugins, but the interface can be clunky and the learning curve is steeper for beginners. Fusion 360 is an all-in-one cloud-based CAD tool developed by Autotask. It offers solid modeling, parametric design, sculpting, CAM tools for CNC, and simulation features. It's designed for both hobbyists and professionals working in product design, mechanical engineering, or even 3D printing. Fusion 360 stands out for its polished UI, collaboration tools, and versatility. However, it's not completely free for commercial use and you need an internet connection to access most features. So if you're a concept designer looking for fast and clean modeling, Plasticity is a great choice, but if you're a beginner or hobbyist who needs full control with no cost, Freecad is a way to go. But if you want all-in-one, professional-grade solution with design to manufacturing tools, Fusion 360 offers the most complete package. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.